In Baliwag University, traditions are not just events. They are shared moments, everyday stories, and values we carry with us.
Today, we're asking the BU community one simple question.
Food trip after class, a classic BU tradition.
Hindi kumpleto ang December na hindi kami nakakapag-picture sa malaking Christmas tree.
Lighting ceremony, lagi special yan.
Exchange gift with my blackmates. Every year yan.
Next question, ano ang BU value na pinakagusto mo?
Respect, kasi ramdam talaga sa buong campus.
Integrity, mahalaga kahit saan ka mapunta.
Service, kahit maliit na effort lang, may impact pa rin sa community.
Excellence, Baliwag University motivates you to be the best.
Responsibility. Siya yung unang tinuro sa akin dito.
These values have always been part of our foundation. They echo the belief of our founder.
Every boy and girl should have an ambition in life and should work towards the attainment of that ambition.
His journey from a poor orphan to a respected educator reminds us that success is built through hard work, purpose, and character. Tradisyong Baliwag-U isn't just something we celebrate. It's something we live through responsibility, integrity, service, excellence, and respect.
Iba-iba man tayo, iisang tradisyon ang bumubuo sa atin. Ito ang tradisyong Baliwag-U.